A handcuffed woman who was arrested with a gun attempted to grab a pistol from an officer's holster and shot him in the hand before another officer used a taser on her. At around 9:15 a.m., the sheriff's office received an emergency call about a woman behaving erratically at the Maverick County Store on the highway near Kingman. The woman, identified as Brenda Kay Thomas, 51, walked into the store with a gun, causing customers and staff to panic. Deputies quickly arrived at the scene and attempted to calm Thomas down. However, she was uncooperative, hostile, and aggressive, continuously yelling and making threats.
Do not reach! Get down on your knees! Get down on your knees! Get down! Lay down flat! Lay down flat!
Oh, sit on my knees.
Lay down flat!
Hi, how are you guys doing?
Lay down flat! Put your hands behind your head. Put your hands, both hands. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move.
I won't hurt you. We're friends. We grew up together. Okay, I will.
Put your hands.
Ouch, I will, I promise. Okay. Oh, okay, I will. Yes, ma'am. Hey, who hurt you? Who hurt you, okay? Can you please tell me? Please tell me who hurt you. Please.
Don't grab.
Okay, yes, ma'am, I won't.
Do not grab.
I promise, with all my heart. Okay, who hurt you? Why are you doing this to me? I didn't do nothing. I promise I won't hurt you. I gotta throw up.
Roll over. Roll over.
Okay.
Roll over.
Okay, ma'am.
Roll over.
Ma'am.
Roll over.
All right. Ma'am. Why are you hurting me? I didn't do nothing to you. I didn't do anything.
52-415.
Okay, all right.
One deputy approached from behind, and together with a colleague, subdued and handcuffed Thomas, escorting her out of the store without any shots being fired.
Okay, all right. All right.
What the hell? Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Turn around on your stomach!
Why is everybody...
Get on your stomach! Put your hand behind your back!
Okay, you have it.
Put your hand behind your back!
I promise, okay.
Hand behind your back!
All right.
That's good.
I did.
That's good.
I caught? Oh, I've never been busted for drugs in my life.
However, as they led her to the patrol car, Thomas suddenly grabbed a gun from a deputy's holster and shot him in the hand.
Oh, hang on. Okay. What did I do to you? We're broken going together. What did I do? We're broken going together, you guys.
Get the God damn!
The situation quickly became chaotic. Other deputies immediately responded, with one using a taser on Thomas, causing her to fall to the ground and be fully subdued.
Okay, I'm done. I'll stop. Let me up, okay, I'll
No, you don't move. You understand me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I won't hurt nobody. I just need up these. You guys got burned stuff, it hurts. Guys, I'll take out.
Where's the gun at? Where's the gun at?
You okay, babe?
Is it in my car?
Where's your iPad?
Oh, help me.
It's in my door.
Right here, right here.
She's got crubs in her.
Oh, dude.
Hold your legs up.
Yes, sir. I have a neck, a brace in my neck.
She got another little gun right there.
You guys, what did I do to you? I promise I'll cooperate with you 100%.
Okay. I didn't want her to shoot anybody, sorry. It's okay. I had to grab it. It's okay.
His shot was promptly taken to the hospital, where it was confirmed that his injury was not serious and he would recover soon.
Guys, I didn't do nothing to you. Are you?
Meanwhile, Brenda Kay Thomas was arrested and taken to jail, facing serious charges including disorderly conduct, resisting law enforcement, and attempted second-degree murder.
God damn! Hurry on her! Okay. I didn't want her to shoot anybody, sorry. It's okay. I had to grab it. It's okay.
Okay, I will.
Brenda Kay Thomas is accused of disorderly conduct for bringing a gun into the Maverick County Store, causing panic and disrupting normal business operations.
You, okay? Can you please tell me? Please tell me who hurt you. Please.
Don't grab.
Okay, yes ma'am, I won't.
Do not grab.
I promise, love my heart. Okay, who hurt you? Why are you doing this to me? I didn't do nothing, I promise I won't hurt you.
This behavior violated public order regulations, posing a danger to the community. When deputies approached and tried to subdue her, Brenda Kay Thomas did not cooperate, showing hostility and aggression.
Why are you hurting me? I didn't do nothing to you. I didn't do anything.
52-415.
Okay, all right.
This resistance violated legal requirements to comply with and cooperate with law enforcement officers performing their duties.
Hurry, my neck. My neck snapped. Hurry. Okay. Hey, why did I do this to you guys? What did I do? Okay? All right, I promise. What did I do to you guys? Are you all right? Was it Ray? No, I don't.
Thomas's act of grabbing the deputy's gun and shooting him in the hand could be prosecuted as attempted second-degree murder. This action demonstrated an intent to cause serious injury or even kill someone, regardless of the potential consequences. Her possession and use of the gun in a dangerous situation could also be prosecuted as illegal use of a weapon. This includes bringing a weapon to a public place without a permit or justified reason.
She's been by everybody in her life and she's here to take care of it, and she kept naming off these names. I can't remember the names.
Thomas committed an act of violence against a law enforcement officer by grabbing the gun and shooting the deputy. This is a severe legal violation that can result in heavy penalties.
Because there's a lady in there waving around.
The incident has shocked the local community, highlighting the dangers faced by law enforcement officers daily. It has also sparked discussions about the need for emergency situation handling training for police officers and measures to control personal weapons in the community.
I just need help. You guys got burned stuff, it hurts.
If you found this story intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from American Copwatch. Stay informed and stay safe.
My boys, I love them with all my heart. Guys, please tell my boys I love them with all my heart.